Let's focus now on the Network Intrusion Detection System, the NIDS. The Network Intrusion Detection System is deployed as a passive sensor at the network aggregation points, at the points where all the traffic passes. For example, it can be set on or behind directly the border router, or directly behind the firewall. It can capture traffic like a sniffer and then compares this traffic to certain signatures. Does this traffic contain so and so as a signature? If yes, then generate an alert. This is how the network intrusion detection system works. It detects events of interest on the network, and remember, we have a lot of events shown by a sniffer, shown by an antivirus, shown by a firewall, but we are interested in the events of interest on the network that shows something suspicious, something that could lead to an incident. So it uses the analysis of the signature, of the anomaly traffic, of application or protocol to say that this traffic is an event of interest and to generate an alert signifying that something wrong is going on, something that needs to be taken care of by the security administrator. The signature analysis is depending on the rules that indicating criteria in packet that represent the event of interest. Rules are applied to packets as they are received by the IDS. Alerts are created when matches are found in the following issues. Either the protocol, for example, we have caught a traffic that is UDP protocol, and this UDP protocol is unwanted on our network, so let's generate an alert. The IP address, we have caught a traffic that is from unwanted IP address, or targeting unwanted port number, targeting payload content or containing payload content that is unwanted or that is not allowed inside the network. String matching, even the content itself of the web page can contain some words that are not allowed to enter our network. The traffic flow analysis, for example, it is not common or it is not natural in some organizations to find that the utilization of the bandwidth is 99% at 2 o'clock in the morning. This is not normal. This shows that something abnormal is happening, because at 2 o'clock in the morning there is no one inside the organization. So why is there traffic usage reaching 90% of our bandwidth at this time? Is there a server running? Maybe, or maybe not. So we should analyze such situation to reach a conclusion and to define what is normal and what is not. Some flags in protocol headers, such as the SYN plus FIN, ACK plus FIN in the TCP header, some flags that cannot be combined with each other in normal traffic or in healthy traffic, signifies that something wrong is going on inside this traffic that are flowing through the IDS. What will the IDS do? Generate an alert. Anomaly analysis flags anomalous condition in traffic on the network. For example, the traffic is fluctuating from 80% to 70% to 10% to 20%. This is not normal. Unexpected conditions are identified as suspicious. We need to know what normal is. We should know what is the normal conditions to say that we had some abnormal conditions on our network, and what is normal here can be abnormal there. What is normal for a hospital can be abnormal for a bank. The network here differs from the network there. The network here may be working 24/7. The network there is working only on the working hours inside the bank. So we need to know what is normal and what is acceptable for each network, and we need to know what can be flagged as suspicious. It is usually based on good traffic as baseline for future analysis. This anomaly analysis depends on targeting the network and observing the network for some time when we are sure that this traffic is good traffic and running at good times of the network at certain period of time. Then we set this as baseline. Usually an inclusive detection method. This is a very important condition that happens when you find that the traffic of the network itself has a problem, that the behavior of the traffic has a problem. So this is an inclusive detection method to use the network intrusion detection system to alert you against this type of abnormal condition. you can use the application protocol analysis. IDS has understanding of the logic for a specific application or protocol, understands how does it work and what protocol does it use and what headers does it use and what uh, signals does it send. So it can use the application protocol analysis. Any protocol activity that is not known as normal is flagged. It is difficult, this type of analysis is difficult to implement because few protocol implementations are standard and so many protocols that are used over the network are not standard. So you cannot define what is normal, what is abnormal due to the standard, because there is no standard to compare with. So you need to train your IDS system to know what is normal and what is abnormal for such protocol. It is usually an exclusive also detection method. The IDS is exclusive detection method for application and protocol analysis. By this, we hope that we have introduced some overview for the NIDS, Network Intrusion Detection System. Thank you.